My name is Carlos Padilla and I'm the head chef here at Juicery Plus. I have a bachelor in culinary arts and I have 10 years in experience in food industry. All our menu it's created by a plant-based diet. We don't use anything that comes from animal, but we are carnivore friendly. You have to use your imagination and change the ingredients. That's my key. Like today we are doing some ceviche. We just changed the shrimp for sprouted lentil. Why is sprouted? Because once a grain has been sprouted, its nutritional value increases. So for the ceviches, you have a cup of sprouted lentils, a quarter cup of diced red onion, a diced cucumber, quarter cup of diced celery, tomatoes, the juice of 4 limes, a tablespoon of Himalayan salt, some serrano pepper, some cilantro, and some pepper. You can eat it with tostadas, and if you want to keep on the low carb side, you can eat it with jicama shells.